you to smoke in this method. Not maintaining that daily consistency with smoking. Smoking cannot kill you. Yes guys, yes. You heard right, you read right. Smoking won't kill you. It will never affect your lung. You will never harm your lung. And I'm giving you a fact. Why is that? Okay, so before just seeing thumbnail and just run to smoking just because I told you that yeah, smoking won't kill you, that's not the thing. If you smoke in this method, smoking will never affect you. Why is that? Please give 5 minutes of your precious time to this video and try to understand. And if you understood, then it's okay. If you didn't understand, then go and continue doing what you do. But I need you to smoke in this method, that smoking will never kill you. And you can continue smoking like the way I do. First of all, I'm not supporting smoking. I do randomly, occasionally. Okay. We can still maintain our smoking. We can keep up with the habit of smoking and still try not to be affected of it, okay? And I'm gonna give you a fact of it, okay? I'm gonna give you a fact of it, how this works. I need you to focus on this, okay? Like consistency. Like suppose in a month, there are 30 days, okay? Like suppose 29 days you do gym and 1 day you take rest. Do you think that yeah, just because you took 1 day rest, all the effort of 29 days will be wasted? Never. It will never, right? Now do upside down. Like suppose 29 days you do rest, only 1 day you go for gym. Will you ever see effect of it? You will never see effect of it. You will never see effect of gym if you're taking 29-day rest and 1 day gym. All I'm trying to say, we will never see result, either it's good or bad, we will never see result of anything unless we do on consistency. Understand? So as there is a saying, consistency is the key of success. Success is, just leave a success. Consistency is the key to get the effect what we're trying to do. Like suppose you're making YouTube, if you don't stay consistent, you won't get the reward, okay? There's always a reward. Like suppose you're smoking, okay? So what's the smoking can give you? Smoking can kill you, right? So if you're not maintaining that daily consistency with smoking cannot kill you. Remember that. Like suppose you're doing gym, result you wanna be bodybuilder. All I'm trying to say, consistency is required to be affected of the process you are going through, okay? If you don't stay consistent in gym, you will never see result. Gym cannot affect you. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. If you're smoking every day, only then it will affect you. If you're smoking occasionally, then smoking cannot affect you. You won't see result of smoking, okay? As you know, consistency is the key to be affected of the process you are going through, okay? I hope you're understanding, okay? So like in a month, just smoke 5 days, okay? Smoke 1 day, don't smoke 5 days, and body will recover. You know, our body is designed to recover itself. Yes, guys, I don't talk without fact, okay? So far I gave you one fact, now listen another fact, okay? Like suppose I take a blade and I cut over here, okay? So if I cut, and even if I don't do anything, if I just leave my hand like this for 1 day, what will happen? First, after 2 hours, bleeding will stop, then healing process will start. Okay. For me to get result of this cutting with blade, what I have to do? I have to cut every single day. I hope you're understanding, right? I cut and I just stopped it. What will happen after 5 days? It recovered completely, right? Again, after 5 days, just cut, leave for 5 days. All I'm trying to say, our body is designed to recover, to heal itself. You don't have to go anywhere. It heals itself. Suppose now I'm cutting. Every day I'm cutting. So what will happen? Our body will never get time to heal, right? We have to give time to heal, okay? And that's how we can continue what we're doing, even though it's bad, but we can continue doing bad thing, but still not be affected. I hope you're understanding my point. My point is, you will never see result of smoking unless you do on consistency, okay? So I'm not saying you to leave smoking, reduce it, okay? In a month, just decide one particular date, like suppose, date first you smoke, now 5 days, let your lungs be clean, let your lungs detox, detox itself for 5 days. Don't smoke for 5 days. After 5 days, again reward yourself, smoke again. Again for 5 days, don't smoke. Then again, don't smoke. All I'm trying to see, cigarette will never kill you unless you're doing on consistency, okay? Consistency is the key to get the result of the process of dying or achieving or anything, okay? If you're not maintaining consistency, you will never see